Okay. New run. And now, of course, I want to try out the power type, Gremlin. He looks super cool. Give us the magic level up, please. Thank you. Oh, he's very slow, so this is a very tactical ship, huh? Which is fine. Ooh, that was a close one. We managed somehow, it's all good. Oh, we need blue for him. Oh, too late. Too late, I guess. Sorry for not reading chat or reacting to chat right now. I really need to focus on this part, okay? I find that yes, it was pretty fun, just a little hungover. A little. Hey, a little is fine. Oh, we acquired quite a few items. And now we're going to acquire X and helmets and food. There we go. We're going to acquire even more now. Whatever these are, we got them. We got leather helmet now. Ooh. Okay, we got dragon items. Whatever they are worth, we got them. I think we got quite a few items here. Oh, cool, that's cool. All right, that's cool. We got a dagger. No dolly, but a dagger. So hard to see this game. Oh yeah. Those were some big scoring items. We take those, all of them. Oh, come on. No, okay. But we got those. Oh, we're too slow for this. This might be the end of my run. End of my run. 680k. Okay, okay. One last run, and then we're gonna raid over to Cake. I think that sounds like a deal, right? But we got quite an assortment of items this time. 33, so that's cool. 680k, 870.